This is a Syma X5HW. It's got altitude hold and it's Wi-Fi also. All right. There we go. Your turn now.
How do you turn it off?
Just do the joystick up. What's wrong? Oh, this one is easier to fly, huh? It's got altitude hold, see? So with altitude hold, it just stays there by itself. You don't even have to do anything. You see that?
No, it was hard.
Huh?
It was hard. It's not calibrated. You have to calibrate it.
Why, it's perfect. Look, it goes by itself.
Let me see. No, it isn't.
Okay, go ahead, fly
Are
it.
you sure?
Go, take it for a spinny.
Okay, it's much better now.
Okay, you like this one better? Yeah.
It's super easy to fly.
So a 9-year-old can fly this really easy.
I don't have to use this one.
Okay.
Yeah, this is good for beginners.
Good for babies?
I'm not a baby.
Okay.
It's just easy to fly.
Okay, so she likes this one. Looks like the other one's going back to Amazon. Pick it up higher.
I can't see that good, you know. That's why I don't like taking it.
Look, she's flying really good, huh?
Yeah. He stays in the air.
Yeah. As long as there's no air.
What's that white thing?
I don't know, it's a UFO. Something.
What is that?
It's a balloons from Osprey Farm.
Mom, I think you could even fly this. Oh, no.
Let's try to put it in headless mode. Put it down.
That is way too big for you, Mom.
Okay, so we're gonna put it in headless mode.
We are not letting...
Yeah, that should be headless mode there. There it is. So it's in headless mode now. Yeah. Okay, it's in headless mode now. It doesn't matter which way you fly it. You could go in a circle. Look at that. See that?
Dad, let me fly it. Is it in headless mode?
Yes.
Dad, put it a little bit down. Dad, stop it.
Okay, go
I
ahead.
like this drone.
Well, there you go. There it is. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Until next time, peace.
Bye.